So in this video, I'll show you how to send and receive text message using email address on iPhone. You can easily send and receive iMessage using your Apple ID email address, and here's how to enable it. First of all, go to your iPhone settings app and then scroll down all the way to the bottom and just tap on apps. And now in these apps, scroll down and search for message, open message. And now first of all, you have to enable iMessage and then tap on send and receive. And here tap on use your Apple account for iMessage. And then here your Apple ID email address will be shown. Now to send and receive text message using your email address, select here your email address. Also start new conversations from select your email address, and you can uncheck your number from here. And now on you will be able to send and receive text message using this email address. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.